Now here is how you can mute calls from unknown numbers on iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe to Foxtecc because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So on your iPhone, you can go to the Settings app and find the Apps section. It's entirely at the bottom. And part of the apps, there is also the Phone section. So just look up the phone right there, and from all of the toggles and options which do appear, you should be able to find the silence unknown callers. And it's just one toggle. There isn't really much else to tweak or change, but you need to ensure that it is turned on, and therefore the calls from unknown people will be filtered. They will appear in the phone app as missed calls, so you can get back to them if you need, but it's not going to be like you're getting bombarded with a lot of unknown people trying to reach you. Keep in mind that you can also do it for other apps as well, like a lot of people use WhatsApp, even for their phone calls as well. And in there, you can as well just go to the settings and tap on the privacy, I believe, and you should be able to find the ability to block individual unknown senders. So yeah, it is part of the privacy section, and then advanced, where you have the ability to block unknown account messages as well as their calls and whatnot. So you can also do it in other apps too. So let me know below in the comments if you manage to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.